Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this short, guided morning meditation. To begin, settle into a comfortable shape, whatever that might look like for you. Close your eyes and connect to your breath. Notice how your body expands as you inhale and how it softens and releases as you exhale. Now we'll take 2 sips of air through the nose, long exhale through the mouth, and again. One more. Now let your lips come together. Continue breathing in and out through your nose. And allow any momentum from your day or your week to just wash away, being carried out on the out breath. Nothing is required of you here. No thinking, no planning. Just being, feeling, listening. Soften and release your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your tongue, your whole face. Let go of any tension in your shoulders. Just feel them melting down. Your arms, hands, hips, your legs, and your feet completely relaxed. With every exhale, soften and release even more. Settle into this space of ease and comfort, basking here in this feeling of complete relaxation. Take one more breath here, the biggest you've taken all day, and let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I release a new video every week. So if you like this meditation, you might consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice anytime you want to start your day feeling calm and energized. Have an amazing day. Namaste.